Okay, so what we have here, it's an automatic transmission with a electric shift PTO. Simple process for this one is just simply on and off switch. If you want to spray while the vehicle is in neutral and in park, you simply turn on the system. At this time we choose the front sprayer just to spray. You just gotta give it a little bit of throttle. And that's the process you do for all the switches to front, the side, and the rear ones. It's just PTO on, neutral, parking brake on, and basically throttle up. If we're gonna go mobile, we're gonna go to drive, but we're gonna go to the lowest gear, which is gear number 1. That's how I'm gonna do the video next. That's how we basically get the most out of the pump itself, pumping on throughout the sprayers, and that's what we recommend. You can go to the second gear, however, the truck is gonna move a little bit faster. It's just the desire of how fast you want the truck to move. But going mobile, we're gonna use the first gear at all times, so we'll demonstrate this in the next video.